Hi everybody, it's Earl, MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check out this 1987 Buick Grand National. Just took this sucker in. It is a black beauty. Pretty much all original panels and paint. 84,000 miles. Nothing chopped up under the engine. Pretty much like it came from factory. These are getting harder and harder to find, and the 87 is the year to own. Last year of production. Real clean, runs out real strong, and like I said, pretty much original. So it hasn't been all chopped up with aftermarket stuff on there. Nice fun car in the 80s. If you had one of these, you were the shit. Lines up the way it should. 3.8 liter turbocharged, intercooled. Pretty much real good in front. All your lights are working. Tiny little bit of, wear and tear and chips, but someone drove this one, and that's why it's priced at what it's priced at. There you go. No real paint flaws. Pretty much original paint. Little upgrade wheel there. But fender's in good shape and gaps out exactly the way it should. See how the paint's a little bit rougher on the bottom? That's how it came out of the factory. A lot of people changed it to solid black and got rid of that. But that's the way it should look. Gaps out, quarter to the door. Nice. Great lines, great stance. So much fun. Roof line is good. Yep. Trunk in good shape. You can see how it shines still right through it. All your moldings look good. A couple look a little dry by the windows, but nothing bad. Rear bumper in good shape. All your rubber's intact the way it should be. Tires are really strong. All your glass is good too, folks. This car looks like it's never been in a fight. This rear quarter's in good shape, again with the gap being the way it should. And all this is painted in the rough, the way it should from the factory. I don't think this car has ever had any paint work on it. Door to the fender, gaps out right. Mirrors, tiny little, like I said, this is easy stuff to replace, but it's getting a little, it's an 87. It's all original, But I'll have over 100 photos on the website, MGM Classic Cars, with description and the video as well, like all our cars. A lot of fun these are. Let's take a look at this interior. Back seat looks really good. Back deck is fine. Headliner is good. Door panels are good. Little power seat on the drivers. Tilt. 84,353 miles. Let me pull that out. On the odometer. Dash is in good shape. Carpets. Only thing I found is this switch on the control panel needs a little love, but that's it. Everything else seems to work. Your turbo boost gauge. Fun real quick. Fill that turbo up and bam, go. But like I said, the body's in real good shape. Lines up really good. Got all your original stickers in the door. It's a great car. They're going up in value. Going up, up, up. We're located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. I'll give you my number in a minute. We've got over 190 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. We offer special financing with good credit, up to 180 months with a minimum of 10% down. I've got a few other banks that will do no money down, but your credit's got to be stellar, and they'll go up to 84 months. All our videos, photographs, description, and pricings on our website, mgmclassiccars.com. We've got shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured. That's an open shipping container or enclosed. You can call me or text me if you have any questions on any of that, on any of our cars, or on this 87 National. And you can reach me. My name is Earl at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. This one's a lot of fun. Please like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channels. Got a bunch more videos coming out this week. Hang around, check them out. Hope we can get one home to you. Give me a call if you're interested, 773-600-0919. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me, folks. Have a good day.